if, yep. You want to go to another if statement. And then you want to go over there, yep. Boom, arrow. And then down. We're going to go to 5, select. Okay? Constant.
Constant.
Yep. And then we're going to call this one a 2. Enter. Okay. Now we're going to call a program again. Yep. Now we're going to go down and we're going to say place palette.
Place palette.
Okay. Now go ahead and do an instruction again. Yep. If select. There you go. Go over to the, yep. Good job. Go down to select again.
Say what?
Select. No, number 5, select. Right there. Boom, boom. There you go. We're going to do a constant again.
Constant. 2.
And we're going to make it a 3.
3.
And so a constant just means a hard set number that never changes. Enter. Call program. And then we're going to say, what was this one? Test.
What?
You